Time and tide wait for none. I am tired. You can't see me, touch me, stop me. But I shape your entire life. But the question is that are you using me or wasting me? I wish a very happy afternoon to all of you. Uh, today present here my honorable teachers and honorable judges and my fellow time travelers in my audience. This is Gaurav Chandradas in front of you. Let's pause and reflect on how we are spending life's most valuable resource, time. Well, time is the most valuable gift we have been given. It is one thing that we all have in common. And also one thing, if it's gone, we can never get it back. We can lose money and earn it again. We can fall down, but catch up again. But what about time? If it's gone forever. We say yesterday, tomorrow, later, someday later. But what about? The truth is, if the time gone, we don't know exactly how much time we really have. Time doesn't wait for motivation. It doesn't pause for fear. Uh, think about this. Some of the most successful people in the world, they don't have more time than you. They just value it differently. They just value it carefully. They protect their time like it's a treasure. If I give you 86,400 taka in every day, but I tell you it will be disappear at midnight, then what will you do? How carefully will you spend it in your time? And what if I tell you time works the same way? Then what will you do? What if I tell you uh, your biggest enemy is not failure, fear, even pain? Your biggest enemy is your wasting time. So let's why what will be your answer? The time is like a ice in your hand. The tighter you try to hold it without using, it will be melt in faster. Every day life gives you a blank page and time is the ink. Now it's totally your decision. Will you use your time properly or you watching the face fade away? So Lord Sri Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, Aham Osmi Kalena Mahata Lokan Samahortum Iha Pravrita, which means I am the time, the great destroyer of the world. At any moment I can take you away from the world. So ask yourself, what are you doing with your time? Are you using it or wasting it?